Hey guys, this is going to be the perfect solution if you're looking for a hack to mount up this beam. This is the IKEA Skorva bed beam, and basically it's a pretty cheap way of getting a bed inside your van without having to do a lot of modification, as long as you have L-track. So I'm going to show you guys some hardware that I found that really changes it up, and I don't have to go sit there and try to go weld and make brackets. It's pretty cool, and I think you're going to like it. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So quickly I'm going to show you guys something that I found that is amazing, and I got to open up the van so I can show it to you. And we're about to do our very first 3-passenger trip tonight to Houston, because we finally got the seat and the table inside, so you guys can take a glimpse of that as we're walking in. Normally to mount this up you need this bracket here, and for each beam you're going to need one of these brackets, and again the van doesn't have anywhere to actually mount this. So I was looking for a very easy solution, and I actually found two. So I'm going to show you guys both, and you guys can decide which one works better for you. So let's talk about the strongest one first. This right here fits perfectly as long as you have 2 studs on your L-track, and I'll show you guys that. And it fits perfectly inside this beam. Look at that fit. It's like it was meant to be. So amazing fit, and it lines up perfectly with the L-track. Let me show you guys that really quick. We just got our AC installed, got the table in today. The seat is completely reinforced as it was wobbly, and we're gonna be hitting the road for the first time all 3 of us are in here, huh?
Yep.
So we're gonna make a good day out of it. So if this is your L-track right here, basically you can mount this right up to here, and it works perfectly good. The only thing is that the studs can be kind of expensive, so you might have to pay about $2 or $3 per stud for the L-track. But I found another solution that's even easier than this. If you are a heavier person and you want to make sure that that beam does not collapse and you don't damage your L-track, this is the one to get. Another thing with that beam too is it actually fits inside the L-track. When I first started using it, I can catch that lip right on here, but it does scratch up the L-track, and I don't think that's a permanent fix. So I'm going to show you guys the other option. So here's going to be the other option, and look how sturdy this is. This is solid. It's got gussets on the side, and it's not going to go anywhere. Again, this one just goes and mounts right up, and then the beam drops in behind it, and you can sandwich it. And I am going to go and obviously make another hole up top. So I'll take some sort of bolt with a flathead from the top side, so that way the beam doesn't actually move. And you need to do this on both of them, but that's really easy to go through this metal, and there's no fabrication really involved. The advantage of this one is it's a little cheaper, and you only need 1 stud. So I wanted to share this video with you guys really quick. If you guys want to follow me along on the van build, please check out the links down below. I did get the roof system up, and I got a deck up top around that AC system happening. Solar panels went in yesterday. Now if you're thinking that all hardware like this is just going to go work for the L-track, it's not, because I actually tried, and I'll show you guys an example of this. So this one matches up perfectly with the holes. No modification, nothing's needed. And as a pro tip, if you could go ahead and add a washer to this side, if you do want to go with this style, go ahead and put one here and one here, and it'll just go and make it even stronger. Let's take a look at something on the other side here, and I have a similar bracket here, and this one just does not line up. Every time I try to go and fine tune it, it doesn't, and it just doesn't have a lot of wiggle room. And I'll have a link to this for you guys in the video description box down below, so you don't waste your time or money buying something that is not going to work. This works. See below. And it is the most secure and most cost-effective way of getting the Skorva beam inside your camper van, and it's an excellent solution without having to modify.
Make sure you like and subscribe the video if you like the video for some tips with the L-track. Have a great day.